His name triggers memories of the draft constitution of 2010, right before it was passed. His long-standing legal career notwithstanding, that the senior counsel served as chair of the Committee of Experts on the Constitutional Review put him firmly in the spotlight. But he was firm that credit for the whole process was shared by many Kenyans who played a pivotal role captured in the pages of history.
I recognize the position, the role you played in midwifing the Constitution.
Senior counsel, you are the father of the Constitution, as it were.
The Constitution that we finally enacted started its life as a draft by CKRC. I know that for a fact because the preamble remains the way I drafted it myself. How much credit can you take as committee of experts for the final outcome?
That struggle started long ago. So we were like the last chain in the relay.
But despite the credit accorded him for the Constitution, there have over the years been proposals to amend certain provisions. His view on the matter:
do you agree that the Constitution is ever clear?
Constitution is a compromise.
Isn't it true that the Constitution contains contradictions, inconsistencies, and gaping holes, gaps, huge gaps? Isn't that true?
Yes, it's true.
The spirit of the Constitution, what is that animal, Mr. Chairman?
What is at the heart of the Constitution? Something like democracy, for example. I think
there's no spirit there. That's the Constitution.
You can tell us whether you have done any constitutional interpretation writings. You have participated in serious litigation involving the current Constitution or the former Constitution.
I have vast experience in litigation.
And should he be picked to become the next Chief Justice, easing the supremacy battles that have long pit the legislature versus the judiciary would take priority. While the difference between sitting on the bench and serving in the bar would play out here today, Nzamba Kitonga would defend himself as not being an outsider of this court. 36 years down the line in his legal career, he insists he is best suited to serve as head of this apex court. Tomorrow, Lady Justice Rosalyn Nambuye faces the panel. Jacky Maribe, Citizen TV at the Supreme Court building, Nairobi.